Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Shanae, and today we're going to talk about all things turkey. Are you in a holiday mood yet? Because I have been for weeks. We're knee deep in the snow, and I can't wait to roast the turkey and sit down with my family and celebrate my favorite American holiday, Thanksgiving. If you're in charge of turkey this year, congratulations. It's a fun thing to cook for your family, and there's nothing to be afraid of because it's really, really easy. I'm going to share with you no-brine roast turkey today. You'll get amazing, juicy, flavorful turkey, just like brined turkey. I have nothing against brining the turkey. My husband actually used to wet brine all the time, but it's just such a hassle, right? You have to find a big container to fit the turkey with all the liquids, and then you need to find a refrigeration for it. It's just a huge headache. And a few years ago, I researched no-brine methods, and after a few test runs, I landed on this one, and I absolutely love it. I shared this recipe a few years ago too on my website, Sweet and Savory by Shanae, and every year it gets so many amazing reviews from the readers, and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I make it. So let's get started. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 stick of butter, thyme, garlic, sage, rosemary, salt, parsley, and lemon juice. Mix everything until well combined. You can prepare this compound butter up to 1 week in advance. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer. When ready to use, soften it on the counter for about an hour. Now to prepare the turkey, make sure to remove the neck and giblets out of the cavity. Then thoroughly dry the turkey with paper towels. Carefully run your hand under the breast skin to create a pocket. Smear that butter evenly all over the turkey and under the breast skin. If the skin is wet, butter won't stick, so make sure to dry the skin well. Place the turkey breast side up on a large roasting pan, tuck the wings underneath, tie the legs with a kitchen twine if it's not done already. Fill the turkey with carrots, apples, and fresh herbs. And here's the secret to juicy turkey. Melt the remaining 4 tablespoons of butter in a bowl, and using a marinade injector, slowly inject each thigh and breast halves with about 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Pour champagne and chicken stock over the turkey and into the cavity. It's going to be so good. You just wait. Roast the turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, basting it every hour until it's golden brown and the deepest part of the breast and legs register 165 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant thermometer. Check on turkey after 2 hours. If the skin isn't browning fast enough, increase oven temperature by 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And if the skin is browning too much, cover with a foil. It took about 3.5 hours for my 14-pound turkey. Cover with foil and rest it for at least 30 minutes before carving. Reserve the pan drippings for an amazing gravy. I'm going to show you how to make homemade gravy in just a little bit, so stick around. Carve the turkey after it's been rested for at least 30 minutes. Then, using a sharp knife, carefully cut through the skin between leg and breast and push the leg down toward the counter away from the body. You will hear a pop where the joint is separated, making it easy for you to cut through. Cut away the wings, and then let's move on to breast meat. Slice into the breast on one side of the breastbone. Keep slicing the meat following the shape of the bone while pulling the meat away from it. Repeat on the other side. To separate the drumstick, simply cut between the joints. Again, we're not cutting through any bones here. To debone the thigh, cut on both sides of the bone and then cut around it until it detaches. And finally, slice the turkey breasts and thighs and place them on a serving platter. By the way, this handy cheat sheet is available on my website to download for free, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm going to show you how to make amazing homemade gravy with pan drippings. It's so easy, let me show you. Pour the turkey drippings into a fat separator and set it aside. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter or bacon fat over medium-high heat. Add flour and toast it, whisking constantly until golden brown with nutty aroma. About 2 minutes. This is called roux, and it's so easy to burn the roux because it literally takes seconds from perfectly nutty to burning. So don't get distracted here. Slowly pour in pan drippings through the strainer, leaving a layer of fat in the cup. Now add chicken or turkey stock while whisking the gravy and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer until desired thickness has reached. Don't forget to whisk it occasionally. Keep in mind gravy also thickens as it cools. Enjoy! Happy Thanksgiving!